In a case where it's definite cancer or it's very suspicious for cancer, then the treatment will then be surgery, and surgery takes different kinds. Right? Firstly, the surgery can be either hemithyroidectomy or total thyroidectomy. And what does that mean? Hemithyroidectomy means we remove one lobe of the thyroid gland. Now, the thyroid is a butterfly-shaped gland, so it's divided into the left lobe, the right lobe, and in between there's a bridge called the isthmus. So when we do the minimum thyroid surgery that we do is a hemithyroidectomy, where we take out at least one lobe with the isthmus, and of course for total thyroidectomy we take out both lobes. The reason we do that is because it is the safest way to do surgery, the most consistent in terms of safety, which I'll elaborate on in a while with regards to the complications of surgery. Alright, and when we talk about surgery, when we decide on hemi versus total, there are many factors to look into, including, for example, the function of the thyroid, including also the size of the tumor, the type of tumor it is, whether it's aggressive or not, and whether it has spread elsewhere, and whether we need to give radiology. Now, there are many factors that basically for surgeons use to decide on which one to recommend to the patient.